Hello class! It's Mid-Autumn Festival season, and this year I'm making rainbow snowskin mooncakes with a Taiwanese flair, filled with taro, pork floss, and salted egg yolk. Here are the ingredients. First, we will make an easy taro filling. In a bowl, add a pack of vanilla-flavored cook and serve pudding and pie filling mix. And then add 2 cups of milk. Then add about a cup of frozen fried taro. These are the ones that you use in hot pot. These will help make the filling making process way faster. Using an immersion blender, blend the mixture until the taro is blended down. Pour the taro mixture into a pot on the stove. Turn on medium heat. Keep stirring until the mixture is reduced and thickened. Add a dash of sea salt. Keep turning the mixture until it has become a thick paste. And then remove from the heat. Pour the paste into a bowl and let it cool. In a mixing bowl, add 90 grams of glutinous rice flour, 70 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of wheat starch, 20 grams of tapioca starch, add a dash of salt, add 50 grams of sugar or monk fruit sweetener, mix ingredients together, then add 1.5 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Stir the mixture and mix evenly until all the powder and clumps have been dissolved. In a small bowl, add 4 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour or rice flour and microwave for 30 seconds. This will be used to dust the mooncake molds to prevent sticking. Now cover the snowskin mixture with saran wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Remove from the microwave and mix the dough. Then cover it up again and microwave for another 2 minutes. Keep mixing the dough until it is smooth. Let it sit and cool down. Once the dough is cool, put it on a kneading board and knead until smooth. Roll it into a long dough and cut it into 6 pieces. We'll make 6 different colors for the rainbow snowskin. Take each dough and add food coloring. Knead until the food coloring has evenly colored the dough. Repeat until all the colors are mixed. I am using yellow, blue, red, purple, and green. Keep one dough white. Place the colored dough into a container and cover with saran wrap and place into the freezer. Meanwhile, we will make the inner fillings. Cut the salted egg yolks into fours. taro paste into your hand and flatten it. Add the pork floss and then the salted egg yolk. Roll it into a bowl and weigh it. We want it to weigh about 30 to 35 grams. Take the dough out of the freezer and we are going to make the rainbow snow skin. Take a little of each of the colored dough and weigh it. It should be around 20 grams. Roll the dough flat. Place the dough into your palm and add the taro filling ball. Spin and press the taro filling until the dough encloses the entire filling. Take a mooncake mold that has been dusted with cooked rice flour. Insert the dough into the mold. Press down and put pressure on the mold press and release your beautiful mooncake. Dust it with some more rice flour and gently move it into a container that will go into the freezer. Repeat the process and make the different shapes and patterns using the different mooncake mold presses. Once they're all done, place in the freezer for a few hours and then serve. Enjoy these delicious mooncakes that are not too sweet, paired with a little bit of savoriness, best served with some hot tea, shared with friends and family. Have a very happy Mid-Autumn Festival. 中秋节快乐! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.